And if you don't know, now you will know how to make flavored orange tea. You can dry the skin in the sun of this orange and then put it inside your tea container, and you will see that your tea will taste like orange. Just dry these orange peels in the sun for say 4 or 5 hours. Just turn it around. All of them, all of them. Turn it around and let it dry for another 2 hours. So after a few hours, it is all good and dry and smelling good with the orange flavor. I'll put it in my tea container and leave it there overnight for a couple of days, doesn't matter, and then you will see your tea will taste like orange. Keep it closed. And here we go, the most delicious flavored orange tea. Cheers guys, enjoy.